Today in our 2011 Cadillac SRX, we'll be taking a look at and showing you how to install the Rhino Rack Roof Rack kit. This is going to consist of the Rhino Rack Vortex Aero Crossbars, part number RRVA118B-2, and the Rhino Rack SX Series legs for the Vortex Aero Crossbars, part number RRSX001. Now these crossbars are also available in silver with part number RRVA118S-2. The Rhino Rack Roof Rack Kit is an aerodynamic roof rack system that allows you to free up space inside your vehicle by carrying your roof-mounted accessories on your vehicle's raised rails. This is going to include bike racks, cargo boxes, cargo baskets, and ski and snowboard carriers. The end caps on our crossbars are lockable and come with a key to lock those up. Now this is a plastic core. You can find metal lock cores available on our website with part number RRVA-LEC4 to change those to the metal lock cores. If we remove our end cap, you can see the Weatherstrip on the inside. This is easy to remove and we can place in channel mounted accessories. As you can also see, you can cut this down to fit those channel mounted accessories and replace that Weatherstrip. This just pushes back into place along the channel. Our foot pack is going to wrap around our raised rail. It's going to have rubber coating on any portion that touches our vehicle and gives a nice finished look to our raised rail. This crossbar kit is going to reduce wind noise and drag with the rubberized Weatherstrip in the top and the measurement inserts in the bottom. These crossbars are 46 inches long, though you can have longer crossbars just as long as they don't extend out past your mirrors. This kit also has a 165-pound weight capacity, though you do want to double check your vehicle's owner's manual to make sure it can withstand that much weight. Now everything that you see here on our table is what's included with our kit. You'll see our crossbar here. We already have one leg installed. We have our other leg that we're going to install on the other side, our two crossbar end caps, the key to lock those plastic cores, our included torque tool to make sure we have our bolts tightened down enough, and then we have our own flat tape measure that we've provided. Now included with our crossbar, we have inserts that have measurements. These can be inserted into the channel along the bottom here on either side to help reduce wind noise and drag, but we're not using these today for demonstration purposes. To install our leg kit onto our crossbar, we're going to line up this nut here with the channel along the bottom. We'll just slide this into place. And now we're ready to load this up onto our raised rails. Now we'll start by taking our crossbar and we're going to set our foot pack on the other raised rail on the opposite side. And then we can adjust our crossbar so that it's sitting evenly from side to side. This can easily be slid back and forth. And I just like to eyeball it, but you can also use the flat tape measure to measure out exactly the distance. Now we'll measure out our crossbar spread. This is going to be the distance between the middle of our front and the middle of our back crossbar. Now there's no set measurement for this. This can be anywhere between 27 and 31 inches. You just want to make sure that both sides are even. I would suggest looking at whatever accessories you're going to put on your roof rack and make your best judgment from there. We want to make sure we do the same thing to the other side so that our crossbar is sitting evenly. Now we're ready to use our included tool and tighten this down. Now we want to remember to tighten this down evenly on each side. Another thing you'll notice is that we have a skinnier curved edge of our torque tool. When this piece is completely straight here, that's when we know we have enough torque behind our bolt. Just like you'll see here. We can place on our end cap, take our included key, and lock that down. Now we're ready to load up any of our accessories and hit the road. And that's going to be our completed look at the Rhino Rack Roof Rack Kit on our 2011 Cadillac SRX.